Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Blazer. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855913. Before we get started, we just want to mention that you always want to attach your mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach to this trim piece that's right above the start button here. The first seam is where this soft piece meets the upper part of the dash, right behind. The second seam is right here where the soft piece meets this front face around the button. The first thing you want to do is take your included gap openers and insert them into this seam up here. This is a very tight seam, so you need to get it in there just so we can open this up enough for the mount to go in. There we go. Now you're going to take the mount and you're going to take this angled lip and it's going to go back into that seam there. And you might need to just use your fingers on the back to push it in. There we go. We're going to pull out the gap openers and now we're going to switch them to this seam. And now the easiest way to get this lip in here is to put your index fingers or your middle fingers behind here and then press on the top of the faceplate with your thumbs just to get a little leverage. And that'll flex the mount enough so that we're not scraping this soft piece of the dash to get this lip down here. There we go. Pull out your gap openers and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.